Whipped shea butter is a multi-purpose treatment that can be used for almost anything depending on your skincare needs. With its anti-inflammatory and emollient properties, it's really well suited to heal dry, damaged, and sensitive skin, while also adding an excellent boost of moisture. We're starting this recipe off with coffee-infused grapeseed oil, which I have been infusing for around 6 weeks. If you don't have the patience to wait that long for your oil to infuse, don't worry about it. I'll link another video for infusing oil with a much shorter wait time down below. Coffee has many benefits, but one of my favorites would have to be its anti-inflammatory properties, and that means it's really effective at soothing skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It may seem to be counterintuitive because coffee is a well-known stimulant, but due to its chemical makeup, it also has the ability to calm and soothe the skin. When it comes to infusing the coffee into the oil, you could use both whole coffee beans or ground coffee beans. The only difference it makes is the color of the oil at the end. When you use ground coffee, the oil turns into a beautiful dark chocolate color, which even diluted with shea butter, it has the possibility to get on white clothes. Whole coffee beans leave less of a rich color in the oil, and it won't leave any stain on white clothes. I personally prefer to have the rich brown color because I don't wear white at all, and I enjoy the darker look of my shea butter. Because shea butter is extremely soft and pliable, using heat to melt it down first before whipping isn't actually necessary. The key to getting the shea butter to whip well is first chopping it into small pieces, and the ratio of shea butter to liquid oil is what dictates the feel of the butter. I'm using a Ziploc bag that I snipped on one corner to transfer the shea butter into my clean glass jar, and I am gently tapping out the air in the container so that there aren't any weird gaps. This shea butter is going to last you around 6 months, but you have to take care of it properly, so avoid storing it in the bathroom or any area where there's too much moisture. If water gets in the body butter, it will get contaminated with bacteria because this does not contain any broad spectrum preservatives. That being said, if you store it in a cool, dark place, it will last 6 months without any issues. What's really nice about this whipped shea butter is that it melts immediately on contact, and it has a very soft cloud-like feel to it. It also serves as an amazing aromatherapy session. The combination of tangerine and coffee smell so amazing, especially when I use this fresh out of the shower. I use it mainly pretty much everywhere for everything except for on my curls. But I will mention, although it does not work very well for styling my entire head of curls, it works amazing as a soft hold edge control to keep my baby hairs moisturized and neat. For more videos like this, subscribe, like, and share this video. If you want to check out more beauty DIYs, you can watch my sea moss gel video next. Sea moss gel works great as a hair mask or a styling gel for frizzy dry curls. As always, I'm sending you love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you in the next one.